Come on in. Okay. What are you going to be when you grow up, Melody? We're going to be a monkey doctor. What are you going to be when you grow up?
I don't really know because I'm thinking so many thoughts.
So many thoughts, yeah?
Of what I want.
Okay. So how about then we take, since Melody wants to be a doctor, why don't we...
I want to be a monkey doctor.
She wants to be a monkey doctor, yes. Why don't we take doctors and teachers to Mission Land this time, okay? Here we go.
Now,
Be careful.
go ahead.